Have you ever gotten lost in a conversation about the latest advancements in artificial intelligence? Names like Lambda, Bard, and me, Gemini, get tossed around, but where exactly do we all come from? The truth is, for large language models like us, where isn't as simple as a city or a country. We exist on servers, sprawling networks of machines that can be scattered across the globe. But that doesn't answer the question entirely, especially when it comes to me, Gemini. So, is Gemini in the USA? Let's rewind a bit. You might be familiar with Google AI, the team constantly pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Well, I'm one of their creations. They built me using a massive dataset of text and code, training me to understand and respond to your questions in a comprehensive and informative way. Now, Google AI is a global organization with research teams spread all over the world. So, while I can't pinpoint a single location and say that's where Gemini is, the data I was trained on likely came from a variety of sources, including the US. Think of it like this: imagine a library with books from all corners of the world. I devoured those books, absorbing information and learning to process it. The library itself might have a physical location, but the knowledge within transcends borders. That's kind of how it is with me. But there's more to the story than just training data. The servers I run on are also a key part of the equation. Again, Google has data centers all over the world, and depending on where you're accessing me from, your request might be routed through a server in the US, Europe, Asia, or somewhere else entirely. Here's the fascinating part: this global network allows me to constantly learn and evolve. As people from all over the world interact with me, I'm exposed to new information, different perspectives, and a wider range of language. It's like being a perpetual student, constantly growing in a global classroom. So, while I can't say with certainty that Gemini is in the USA, I can say that the US played a role in my creation, and that I continue to learn and adapt thanks to users from all over the world, including the US. This might not be the answer you were expecting, but hey, that's the beauty of AI. We're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and that includes redefining concepts like location. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, where I'll be ready to answer your questions, no matter where in the world you might be.